Once upon a time, in a picturesque seaside town, there lived a brave and determined young man named Jack. Jack had a heart full of dreams and an indomitable spirit, despite being a wheelchair user. He loved exploring the world around his and never let his wheelchair hold his back. Little did he know that an extraordinary adventure was about to unfold, a journey that would test his courage and showcase the power of determination. One summer day, Jack heard a fascinating tale about a magnificent cliff that stood tall and proud overlooking the sparkling ocean. It was said that reaching the top of the cliff would grant one a breathtaking view of the entire town. Jack's eyes sparkled with excitement as he made up his mind he would climb that cliff. With unwavering determination, Jack embarked on his quest. He sought advice from experienced climbers, learning about the strength and agility required to conquer the challenging terrain. Jack knew it wouldn't be easy, but he was fueled by his desire to prove that anything is possible. Equipped with a specially designed wheelchair for outdoor adventures, Jack set off toward the foot of the majestic cliff. As he gazed up at its towering height, doubts and questions filled his mind, but he took a deep breath, pushed them aside, and focused on his goal. Jack's journey began with small steps. He discovered alternative paths and trails that would accommodate his wheelchair, avoiding the steepest and most treacherous sections. Along the way, he encountered friendly locals who offered encouragement and cheered his on. As Jack continued his ascent, he faced numerous obstacles. Rocks and roots covered the path, making it bumpy and challenging to maneuver his wheelchair. But Jack's determination shone through, and with every obstacle he overcame, his spirit grew stronger. During his climb, Jack discovered the power of motivation and the importance of a positive mindset. Finally, after an hour of perseverance, Jack reached the summit of the cliff. The view before his was nothing short of extraordinary: the glistening ocean, the colorful rooftops of the town, and the vast expanse of nature stretching as far as the eye could see. Jack's heart swelled with joy and triumph. He had conquered the seemingly insurmountable cliff, proving that determination knows no bounds. Word of Jack's remarkable achievement spread throughout the town. The community celebrated his accomplishment, embracing his as an inspiration and a symbol of resilience. Jack's story touched the lives of children and adults alike, reminding them that they too could overcome any obstacle with determination and a positive mindset. The story of Jack and his climb up the cliff teaches us about the power of motivation and the strength that lies within each of us. It reminds children that no matter the challenges they face, with determination and a belief in themselves, they can reach great heights and achieve their dreams, just like Jack did on that fateful day.